On today's video, we're going to see if we can make this 700cc Honda sound a little bit less like a sewing machine and more like a motorcycle. A quick peek inside the packaging. We've got the mid pipe here, rubber grommet and the clamp, some exhaust sealant, a bunch of stickers in a bag, and of course the carbon fiber can here. This is the 9-inch length with mirror polish ends, and the welds look absolutely fantastic. The stock exhaust comes off with literally one bolt and one clamp, so of course I had to do a sound clip of no muffler at all. Get that old gasket material off with a screwdriver and a pair of pliers. The mid pipe on this kit is what makes this a $250 kit instead of a $99 eBay special. You can see it's got this center stand bracket welded on there, and again, the welds are absolutely perfect. Here I've got the mid pipe tightened down, and you can see just how well that center stand bracket lines up on this. Now, I usually don't mess with these decibel killers or inserts or silencers or whatever they call them, but this one is really nice. And it mounts from the opposite end of usual. So you've got to remove this thing before you mount it to the mid pipe because of the way it's set up. And it's just a friction fit in there and then one bolt holding it in. Do note that on the outside of the packaging, they give you a stubby little 4mm Allen bolt there to plug up that baffle if you're going to remove it. And that's all there is to it. Not even a one beer job, really. And it sounds absolutely fantastic. It really takes this bike from a 700cc sewing machine into at least something that today's terribly distracted drivers can hear and hopefully avoid running over. We'll finish up with some comparison clips, which will probably sound best with headphones on, unless you've got a subwoofer set up on whatever you're watching this on.